activity to give context to the geography, and it's on North America. The students need to demonstrate their knowledge of the geography of the continent.
Right, so we need a problem, some way that the kids can identify with the information.
They can plan a trip. That will give them the opportunity to use their newly acquired skills with Google Earth as well.
I like it. So they'll be demonstrating their knowledge of the content, ability to read maps, and showing appropriate use of technology.
Excellent.
I like it. And you know what? I think we should also integrate some math, maybe in the form of budgeting.
Yep, let's get those objectives down so we can start the planning here. You're going to be planning a road trip, as if you were a travel agent planning a tour that travelers could take. Your tour might even have a theme. It could be amusement parks, antique shopping, surfing across the USA, national parks, shopping malls. You could probably build a tour around almost any interest. This trip is a North American tour. It must span at least 7 states or territories over at least 2 of the 3 countries in North America. And remember that this is a tour that a traveler might want to take. It should involve no more than 20 days. You must return back to your starting point within 20 days. And no traveler wants to go more than 600 miles in a day. Okay? Here are the specifications. They're on this assignment sheet. I'll pass those out to you now. And you can get started. Make me want to take your trip. It looks like a lot, but it gives these students an opportunity to interact with the material in a way that they wouldn't otherwise, and having some control over the assignment is very motivating for them. A lot of what I do in project-based learning is just breaking down the material into meaningful pieces, into smaller pieces, and helping them to stay focused on the task at hand.
How about somewhere in Iowa? That's in the prairie area, so we can check that off.
Where in Iowa?
Oh, there's a theme park called Adventureland in Altoona.
Is that within the 600-mile daily limit?
Girls, I can show you a way to measure that using Google Earth. Here's what we'll do. We'll click on that measuring device right there. Then we'll click on both the first and the second spot, and it will measure the distance between them. As I walk around the room, I check on the group's progress. I make sure everyone is involved in doing something productive. If the groups are done right, then they stay pretty much on task, and my job is easy. So it's time to start planning your Google Earth tour. Have you looked at the video on how to make a Google Earth tour? Okay, good. And then do a different shot. Right? Yeah. Okay. So you'll right click there on My Places, Add Folder, and that will be the folder in which you're going to set up your Google Earth tour. You'll type your name in here. What's the name of your tour? Oh, excellent. Surfing North America will go right in there. And you'll be able to store all your place marks in that folder. Like wonders of the world. Good. If you were to open the internet right now and type in on the Boolean search line natural wonders, you'd probably find a lot of good places to go. There you go, up there. Natural wonders. And then you'll probably find a lot
small hiking spots there. And the lake is just really beautiful, as you can see. You can also go to the salt brines, which are over there. Salt brines are pretty nice.
Next, we're going to Yellowstone National Park, the home of Old Faithful, which is guided here. There's also a lot of walking around there, and you can see sulfur pits, which are natural occurrence from the volcanic activity in Yellowstone.
Thanks. I will definitely use this lesson again.
Me too, but I think I'd rather teach Google Tours ahead of time.
Yeah, I think that would be good.
Yeah. You know what, I might change that rubric a bit too.